TubePro is a full-featured tubing add-in for SOLIDWORKS. Here's a brief walkthrough of just a few features. TubePro can generate a bend table for any centerline sketch. It will pre-select the sketch, and in just a couple clicks you can generate a bend table. Bend tables can either be LRA or XYZ and saved as either Excel or text file. Excel tables include manufacturing checks such as min straight and if there are any bends tighter than 180 degrees. You can also select which end of the tube is the bend table start. If you enable auto update of bend tables, the attached bend table will be kept up to date with any geometry changes. If not, just click Update Bend Table. TubePro can generate spool assemblies in a single step. You can add tube geometry to a centerline sketch as well as place the part into an assembly with fittings. Assemblies are made complete with mating geometry and can include one fitting or even two unique fittings at each end of the tube. You can create drawings for tubes and tube assemblies. Within Settings, you can select and save your preferred templates. TubePro works with your templates to use all the existing formatting options. No configuration is required. Drawings can label all bend points and even add part balloons and bombs for assemblies. Bend tables are automatically added onto the drawing for every tube present in the assembly. Bend tables are compared live to their tube model and will notify if they're inaccurate. If you enable auto update of bend tables, they will update automatically to match the current geometry. TubePro can also import bend tables to generate a centerline 3D sketch. It will import generated bend tables as well as user-created text files. It will recognize any options from the bend table. The user will be prompted to supply any parameters that could not be found. Sketches are created with properly constrained points and dimensions. If you need to add bend radii to a tube centerline or update the existing bend radii, you can do so in just one step. The tool will add any missing bend radii of the size specified. If you enable the Update Existing Bend Radii option, TubePro will alter any pre-existing bend radii to match the given value.